What is up, guys? Brit Tech here, back with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do the Volt INU V2 to V3 migration. So let's go ahead and get into the video. So what you need to do is go to Volt INU Twitter page, or you can just follow along right here. And if you scroll down into their comments, you will find the Volt INU migration instructions. So first, what we need to do is go to the link for Migrate and go to that site. Okay, so first you want to connect your wallet. So go to the top right and select that. And for me, I'm going to do Coinbase. So connect to Coinbase wallet. All right, and then it opened my wallet, and now I am connected. So now I'm going to go to the top where it says input token. I'm going to click that drop down and switch it from Everrise to Volt INU. All right, now you can see my Volt INU balance. I have roughly over 1 billion coins, and I'm going to select max because I want to migrate over all of my coins. Then I'm going to go down to the bottom and select enable, and this is going to pop up, and I'm going to try and change the little fee to the lowest amount possible. So you select the little wrench, and then you scroll down to slow. And yes, it takes longer to process, but you will pay the lowest fee. So then I'm going to select confirm. This is just to notify you of what's going on. All right, so now my approval has been requested to enable this. And we're going to wait a little bit, and it should approve soon. All right, so now the approval has been successful. So now we want to migrate. Okay, so in the bottom right, select migrate, and it's going to ask us again. So we're going to change the network fee to the cheapest amount and then confirm, and we will begin the migration, guys. All right, so this shouldn't take too long, just like the enabling portion didn't. So as you can see, the migrate has started and it's processing. All right, just like I said, it shouldn't take long. So the migration is successful. And now you should receive an email from your wallet. I just received mine. And now I want to check to see if it was successful and if it is showing up in Coinbase wallet. So that's what I'm going to go do now. Let's check Coinbase wallet. As you can see, it is successful. Look at the history right there. And yeah, guys, that's pretty much all you have to do. If you need to add the V3 address to your Coinbase wallet, you can do so through Uniswap, and you can go to the Volt INU Twitter page. It has the address in there. You just copy and paste it, and you should be good. So yeah, guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.